Hello, so we're back. So it's lunchtime. So
Where are we, madam?
we are
At
at
Mang Inasal.
San Mateo, Philippines, and we are in the Mang Inasal restaurant. So what's up? What's up? So here-
What did you order, madam?
Well, I ordered chicken. Your
Okay.
favorite, of
Uh-huh.
course. Okay, so I have a question to you, Arvin.
Mm.
So why do you love to eat at Mang Inasal?
Okay, I love Mang Inasal because it's very authentic and it's a Filipino dish. So a lot of Filipino loves Mang Inasal so much. So I really love to eat Mang Inasal at Mang Inasal.
So delicious.
Yes,
right?
of course. Look at the chicken, not the grilled chicken,
So the
right?
chicken, my God, it's so yummy.
Uh-huh.
And of course they have
Tea, iced tea, and then
sauce.
the sauce.
And
See?
it's cheap, but it's quality food.
Uh-huh.
So you only spend $3 plus $3.
Oh,
One, two.
a total of 200 plus.
Oh, it's
It's a very
200
affordable, right?
almost $5.
Yes.
So, um, so that's it.
Okay, let's eat. So later we're going to have a picture taking outside. So we're going to eat muna. Bye,
Share, like,
guys.
and subscribe my YouTube channel.